vertical takeoff, but they can also tilt those blades forward and haul ass. Vertical takeoff, never seen them. First time.